Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to send money using Apple Cash through the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. First, open the Messages app on your device. Start a new conversation or open an existing message thread with the person you want to send money to. Next, tap the Apps button next to the text field. It looks like the letter A. From the list of apps, tap the Apple Cash icon. Once Apple Cash opens, enter the amount you want to send. You can use the plus or minus buttons or tap the amount to bring up the keypad. After entering the amount, tap Send, then tap Send again to confirm the payment. To complete the transaction, double-press the side button on your iPhone or authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once the payment is sent, it will appear directly in the Messages conversation, and you'll also see it listed in the Apple Cash section of the Wallet app. And that's how you send money with Apple Cash using Messages on an iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.